wanting to talk to you about the two L's, linguistic liberty. To be free when it comes to the issue of language. First, I'd like to speak to my friends whom I like to call Ngabe zingakhanyi ilanga, which means those through whose ears the sun does not shine. My dear friends, do you have linguistic liberty? What I mean by that is, are you able to express each and everything that you want to do in life in your mother tongue? When it comes to technology, when it comes to history, when it comes to science, when it comes to engineering, when it comes to philosophy, when it comes to the culinary services, when it comes to being a teacher, when it comes to being a theologian, all the different fields of life, my dear friends, are you able to express yourself in your mother tongue in these different spheres of life? I grew up as an Afrikaner, speaking Afrikaans, and I have the privilege, and I had the privilege, to be able to do exactly that. My forebears worked extensively, and they worked extremely hard to produce the one dictionary upon the other, so as for my generation and others who grew up with me to be able to express ourselves and to explore reality in our mother tongue. So, if you do not have that freedom, don't you think it's time to make a shift in your thinking and to start speaking to intellectuals, people who speak your mother tongue, and tell them, listen, we want to express ourselves in every sphere of life in our language, in the mother tongue. Ukhulume nongoti ubatshele ukuthi lalelani bakwethu, sifuna ukukhuluma ulimi lwethu kuyo yonke imikhakha yempilo. Only then will you understand what these two L's mean, linguistic liberty. But it also goes the other way around. Maybe you grew up speaking only the English language and you think, yes, I do have linguistic liberty. We have Shakespeare and we have T.S. Eliot and we have, Dickens and some of the greatest writers in history. And there's just nothing that we can't say in our language. Living in South Africa, being surrounded by people, neighbors in your community, where you go to the mall, listening to them and not understanding what they are saying means that you do not have linguistic liberty. You do not understand what your neighbors are saying. I'd like to encourage you to start crossing the river to the other side. Start making an effort to learn to speak the beautiful languages of our country. Yimi, ngizokufundisa ukukhuluma isiZulu nezinye izilimi. Come to me, I'd be glad to help you. Linguistic liberty, you need it.